We've all been there, staring at a plate of food, wondering if that delicious drizzle of olive oil is truly as good for us as it tastes. Is it a friend to our health or a hidden foe? For years, fat has been demonized in the world of nutrition, painted as the villain in our weight loss journeys and the culprit behind countless health problems. Old diet books and vintage health magazines have long warned us about the dangers of consuming fats. But what if I told you that not all fats are created equal? There are good fats and bad fats, and knowing the difference can make a world of difference in our health. The truth is, our bodies need fat. Yes, you read that right, to function properly. Healthy fats, like those found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil, are essential for our well-being. It's time to ditch the outdated notion that fat is public enemy number one and embrace the delicious and nutritious world of healthy fats. These fats not only add flavor to our meals, but also provide vital nutrients that our bodies crave. Just like a well-balanced recipe needs a touch of oil to enhance flavors and textures, our bodies rely on fat to thrive. Without it, we miss out on essential fatty acids and fat-soluble vitamins. So, let's dive in and separate the fat facts from fiction. Understanding the role of healthy fats can transform our approach to eating and improve our overall health. Fats, also known as lipids, are essential nutrients, just like carbohydrates and protein. They play a vital role in our overall health and well-being. Think of fats as the building blocks for cell membranes, which are crucial for protecting our cells and regulating what goes in and out. They also act as carriers for important vitamins, ensuring our bodies can absorb and utilize these nutrients effectively. Without adequate fat intake, our bodies wouldn't be able to perform these vital functions, impacting our energy levels, hormone production, and even our mood. Understanding the different types of fats and their effects on our bodies is key to making informed choices about the foods we consume. Let's break down the two main categories, the good and the bad. Let's talk about the good guys, the healthy fats that deserve a prime spot on our plates. These include monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which have been linked to a wide range of health benefits. Monounsaturated fats, found in foods like avocados, olive oil, nuts, and seeds, can help lower bad cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Polyunsaturated fats, including omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, are essential for brain function, heart health, and reducing inflammation. These good fats play a crucial role in maintaining healthy blood sugar levels, supporting a healthy weight, and even improving our mood. So, the next time you're craving something creamy and satisfying, reach for a handful of almonds, drizzle some olive oil on your salad, or add a slice of avocado to your sandwich. On the flip side, we have the bad fats saturated and trans fats. While some saturated fat is naturally present in animal products and tropical oils, consuming excessive amounts can raise LDL, that's the bad cholesterol levels, increasing the risk of heart disease. Trans fats, often found in processed foods, baked goods, and fried items, are created through a process called hydrogenation, which turns liquid oils into solid fats. These artificial fats not only raise bad cholesterol, but also lower good cholesterol, creating a double whammy for our heart health. Limiting these unhealthy fats is crucial for maintaining optimal health. Opt for lean protein sources, choose low-fat dairy products, and steer clear of processed foods and sugary treats to keep your intake of bad fats in check. You need to hear this if you're a health enthusiast. Section 5. The power of fats more than just energy. While carbohydrates are often seen as the primary energy source for our bodies, fats pack a powerful punch when it comes to fueling our cells. They are often misunderstood and sometimes unfairly demonized, but fats are crucial for our overall health. In fact, gram for gram, fats provide more than twice the energy of carbohydrates and protein. This makes them an incredibly efficient source of energy, especially for long-duration activities and endurance sports. But the benefits of fats extend far beyond providing energy. They are integral to many bodily functions that keep us healthy and thriving. They play a vital role in absorbing fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K, which are essential for vision, bone health, immune function, and blood clotting. Without fats, our bodies would struggle to absorb these crucial nutrients. Fats also act as insulation, protecting our organs and keeping us warm. This is especially important in colder climates where maintaining body heat is vital. They contribute to healthy cell signaling, hormone production, and even the structure of our brain. Our brain is nearly 60% fat, highlighting the importance of fats in cognitive function and mental health. It's clear that fats are not just an optional add-on to our diet, they are essential for our bodies to thrive. Including a variety of healthy fats in our diet can lead to better overall health and well-being. I bet you didn't know how crucial it is to balance your fat intake. Section 6. Finding the right balance. Tips for a healthy fat intake. Now that we've established the importance of both good and bad fats, let's talk about finding the right balance. The key is to focus on incorporating more healthy fats into our diets while limiting the unhealthy ones. Aim to include a variety of monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats in your daily meals. Think avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, fatty fish like salmon and tuna, and flax seeds. When it comes to saturated fats, moderation is key. Choose lean meats, poultry without skin, and low-fat dairy products. And remember, trans fats are best avoided altogether. By making conscious choices about the types of fats we consume, we can support our overall health and well-being. Section 7. Mythbusters: separating fat facts from fiction. Let's debunk some common myths surrounding fats. Myth 1. Eating fat makes you fat. This is a common misconception. While it's true that fats are calorie-dense, meaning they contain more calories per gram than carbohydrates or protein, consuming healthy fats in moderation can actually aid in weight management. Myth 2. All fats are bad for your heart. As we've learned, monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats can actually improve heart health by lowering bad cholesterol levels and reducing inflammation. Myth 3. Low-fat or fat-free products are always healthier. Often, when fat is removed from food products, it's replaced with added sugar, salt, or artificial ingredients to enhance flavor and texture. By understanding the truth about fats, we can make informed choices that support our health goals. Everybody is looking for ways to make their meals healthier and more delicious. Here are some practical tips and tricks to elevate your culinary experience. Incorporating more healthy fats into your diet doesn't have to be complicated. In fact, it can be quite simple and enjoyable. Here are some practical tips and tricks to help you seamlessly integrate these nutritious fats into your daily meals. Start your day with a healthy fat boost to keep you energized and satisfied. Add a spoonful of nut butter to your oatmeal for a creamy, protein-packed breakfast. Sprinkle chia seeds on your yogurt for added texture and a dose of omega-3s, or enjoy a slice of avocado toast for a delicious and nutritious start to your day. Make olive oil your go-to cooking oil for its versatility and health benefits. Its rich flavor and heart-healthy benefits make it a versatile choice for sautéing, roasting, and drizzling over salads. Snack smart throughout the day. Keep a stash of nuts, seeds, or olives on hand for a healthy and satisfying snack that can curb hunger and provide essential nutrients. Choose fatty fish at least twice a week to boost your intake of omega-3 fatty acids. Salmon, tuna, mackerel, and sardines are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for heart health. Experiment with different types of healthy fats to keep your meals exciting and flavorful. From avocado oil to walnut oil, there's a world of flavor to explore. Each oil brings its own unique taste and health benefits to your dishes. What's something people don't know about healthy fats? Don't be afraid to get creative with your healthy fat choices. Swap out your usual vegetable oil for coconut oil when baking. Add a dollop of tahini to your smoothies, or sprinkle hemp seeds on your salads for a nutty crunch. Explore different types of nuts and seeds, each offering a unique flavor profile and nutritional benefits. From creamy cashews to crunchy pumpkin seeds, there's a perfect match for every palate. Embrace the versatility of avocados, incorporating them into salads, sandwiches, smoothies, or even enjoying them as a simple and satisfying snack with a sprinkle of salt and pepper. Your journey to a healthier you, embracing good fats. Remember, making sustainable changes to your diet takes time and effort. Start by incorporating small changes gradually, focusing on adding more healthy fats while reducing unhealthy ones. Listen to your body's cues, and don't be afraid to experiment to find what works best for you. The journey to a healthier you is not about deprivation. It's about making informed choices that nourish your body and bring you joy. Embrace the delicious world of healthy fats and savor the flavor and the benefits they bring to your life. Listen to your body, consult the experts. While this guide provides a general overview of fats and their importance, it's essential to remember that everyone's nutritional needs are unique. If you have specific dietary concerns or health conditions, it's always best to consult with a registered dietitian or healthcare professional. They can help you create a personalized meal plan that aligns with your individual needs and goals. Remember, you are the expert on your own body. Pay attention to how different foods make you feel, and don't hesitate to seek guidance from qualified professionals to support you on your journey to optimal health and well-being. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and advice.